Looking back on your childhood, what values or practices do you think your parents were most trying to pass on to you?
Being a Mensch, you know, there was a lot of issues about just doing the right thing and doing appropriate things. So I think that was from eating rightly. We used to joke, call my father von Rubinstein, because, you know, for instance, you couldn't fill up your glass of water all the way to the top. You had to do it about, you know, a little bit, 2/3 at the most, because you don't fill it all the way to the top. If you want more, you can get another one. And manners were very important. Dressing correctly was very important. Speaking correctly was very important. So it really mostly was doing the right thing and doing the proper thing.